The 7th edition of the Paleo Movies Film Fest opens at the Civic Museum of Natural History in Trieste from December 11 through 14, presenting new scientific research, documentary films and expert analysis on the prehistory of humanity.
Sicuramente tante curiosità e tante occasioni uniche, come appunto parlare dello sciamanesimo, che è un argomento estremamente intrigante, e poi andare ad indagare su dei casi, dei true crime della preistoria e cercare gli assassini di 7000 anni fa.
The Paleo Movies Film Festival is a small film exhibition dedicated to human origin, prehistory, anthropology and human behavior in general. Through film and documentaries, we try to communicate to the large public theme difficult to understand or not know by the majority of the population, to correlate prehistory to our contemporaneity.